Having some fun in classic 987.16, and one of the particular issues I want to show you is with local mode and Everscroll. So if we select this object and we press / to go into local mode, whenever I go inside of Boolean scroll, we see that Boolean scroll is fine with local mode. We're able to scroll through our Booleans and nothing funny is happening. But if we were to basically hover over Everscroll, we see that shift clicking allows us to roll through our modifiers. So if we shift click to roll through our modifiers, well, something unusual has happened. We now have something showing up in local mode that we didn't necessarily ask to be here. And as a result, we just have a little bit of extra happening inside of local mode that's just changing our experience. And this has been kind of a long time bug. You see that I'm able to right click and get past it, and it's just unusual. But if we jump over to the current version of Blender, where basically we are using HardOps 987.27, we go into local mode and we jump through local mode and we start doing a modifier scroll. We see that we're able to scroll through the modifiers and it won't have any issue pulling in objects. It was related to something else, part of Everscroll's expanded reach. However, it's now been corrected where now whenever you use modifier scroll in local mode, it'll no longer pull in objects that are irrelevant to the operation at hand, which I'm pretty sure users found a little bit daunting. But as part of Everscroll taking over as the main scroller, we wanted to make sure that we had that issue corrected.